Hey, what's up, guys? It's been a while since I've done a box break or video, or both, rather. And I bought this box at Topps Chrome, my hobby shop, for $75. I haven't had that much luck with this year's Topps Chrome. Off the top of my head, I've pulled a Ryan Anderson autograph and two redemptions for rookies, Darrell Arthur and Joey Dorsey. So hopefully I can get a nice autograph in this box. Alright. And the journey begins. There's 24 packs, 4 cards per pack, I believe. And checklist, don't need that. So, here's all the packs. So, let's go. Base, Magic Johnson refractor, and base. Second pack, base. Ah, nice. Derrick Rose rookie card. Hopefully it's a good sign and base. Oh, that's a pretty cool picture. It's a nice picture. Third pack. Base. Orange refractor, Al Thornton, number 45 out of 499. Base. Base. DeAndre Jordan rookie card. And base. This pack. Base. Ronnie Brewer refractor. Base. Base. Russell Westbrook rookie card. Base. Sixth pack, I think. We got a gold refractor. Alright, base. Gold refractor, Raymond Felton, number 19 of 50. There's the numbering. And wow, Eddie House base card in this set. Wow. Pretty big base set if he's in it. Next pack. Base. Nicholas Batum rookie card. Base. Orange refractor in this pack. Base. Nice. It's a rookie. Darrell Arthur orange refractor rookie card, number 27 of 499. And base. Base. Joe Alexander rookie card. And base. I'm actually going to be in one of Aslan 7's group break for Topps Chrome. So you should definitely check out his videos. I'll try and put a link up on the side there. Or that way. Base. Mike Conley refractor. And That's a nice picture. Kobe Bryant base, and look who's guarding him. Mr. LeBron James. Next pack. I just really hope I don't get a redemption card. Cause base, Dante Green rookie card. Base. Base, DJ Augustine rookie card. Base. Base, Sonny Weems rookie card refractor, not numbered. So none of the regular refractors are numbered. Pete Maravich base. Appreciate that. Base, Michael Beasley rookie card. Got a refractor. Base, Ben Wallace orange refractor, number 23 of 499. Base. I actually pulled in one of my prior box breaks of this, a Derrick Rose refractor rookie card, but it's not numbered, but still a nice card. Base, Danilo Gallinari rookie card. We shouldn't have drafted this guy. We should have picked Eric Gordon. Or Brook Lopez even. Base, Chris Bosh refractor. Base. It's about 5 packs left. Oh, looks like I got my autograph. Oh, not bad. It's a nice one. Base, autograph, Marcus Gasol rookie card. And the autograph, it's a nice one. Jared Bayless autograph. Number 144 of 245. I think this guy's going to be a stud in a couple seasons. Or Portland's got a lot of great young talent, so really like this. Nice pull. And there's about 6 packs left actually. I'm gonna do this real quick to make this one video. Base, Udonis Haslem refractor. Base. DJ White rookie card. Base, Yao Ming orange refractor, numbered 38 of 499. Base, Joey Dorsey. Thank God I didn't pull his autograph. I already did, rather, his redemption rookie card. I'm sick of that guy. I don't want to pull nothing more of that guy. Base, Tyson Chandler refractor. Last pack. Base. This guy, I've never even heard of him. I think Detroit probably waived him, even. Trent Playstead rookie card. I've never heard of him. So that's the break. Here's the autograph. Nice one. Jared Bayless. It's nice centered and everything, the autograph. It's a really nice looking card. It's a low number 2. Number to 245. So, that's the break. Later, guys.